Yes! I have no idea if this person is comfortable with me revealing his identity or what he's doing or whatever, but we're gonna find out today, because this guy, he owns multiple islands, multiple beach properties, and today we're gonna meet him, and maybe he allows us to film on his property. No, that's gonna be a fucking game changer. It's like these are islands in the south, there's nobody there, and it's stunningly beautiful there. So I really want to be able to go there and camp on these islands. He has a private beach here close to Noctabon. It's probably about an hour walk through the jungle. I'm preparing right now early in the morning. I need all my stuff, some food for him, some drinks. Well, he's not gonna be as excited as I am, but you know, at least he has to say yes. That's the only goal. The only goal today, he has to say yes. Set, probably 5 or 6 kilos. The only thing I have to forget about the fishing rod. It doesn't fit in my backpack, and I have the tripod with me, and I need one hand free with the bolo. I need the camera. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the fishing rod. Arrived at Noctabon Beach. It's low tide today. This is huge. Look how big it is all of a sudden. Super wide. Nice. I'm gonna make some shots and wait for my friends to show up, and then we're gonna go for the hike. It's gonna be there in the corner somewhere here. So we'll see what happens. You a vlogger, buddy?
I guess I am now.
Waiting here a little bit for Sheila. We're gonna let some people know where we go, so that if something happens and we don't come back, at least there's people who know which way we went. There's been somebody lost here, I think 2 weeks ago, and they still haven't found him. They found some stuff of him, but yeah, they don't know what happened or where he is. So if you go camping, always let somebody know which way you go, where you went, so in case something does happen, at least yeah, they will be able to find you. Okay, the mountain trail. Oh shit, the shade is good. Steeper and steeper, huh? I'm glad he asked for eggs and pork and not for a generator or something. Oh, that's a machete, huh? Wow, we made it, huh? Yeah, in a moment. The sand is washed away by the typhoon. Whew. Eagle, Philippine eagle. That's awesome. That wasn't too bad, we're almost there. Maybe 5 minutes. Then we're there. Still got 2 liters of water in the backpack. My body probably lost about 2, but you will refill that in a bit once we arrive. Rocks, it's pretty steep, so oh, sometimes a slight yeah, that's what I mean. Birds here that I've never heard before. Fantastic. It's rocky, there's no sand, but it's a beautiful, beautiful place. There's no one here except for our friend and his caretakers.
Okay. That's destroyed by...
That one is
My friend is a politically connected person with a lot of wealth behind him. Our conversations were mostly about politics and investments, which are the kind of conversations that are best kept private. For this reason, I didn't feel much inside, but in the end, we got our yes. Really nice day today. We got a yes, which was the most important part of the day. And now we're gonna start our hike back up. As you can see, the clouds are coming in there, so yeah, it's probably like half an hour, 1 hour walk before we get to the motorbikes. We go home, and then I have to start editing this shit. It was fucking awesome. We got a yes, we're gonna go camping. We have multiple places to go, the most awesome places to go, and
this channel is just gonna rock from now on. It's, I don't know, I couldn't be more excited.